Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here with a very quick video today. I am setting up my January 2023 reading journal bookmark. So basically, I got this idea from Cass. I will link her down below, and I decided to do a different bookmark for every single month. That way I can add some interesting features to the bookmark that will be helpful for me to track in my reading journal. For example, the book that I'm reading that day and how many pages I've read that day are two of the things that I'd like to track. So I am doing this with the theme. I took a spare piece of paper from one of my Dutch doors, and I am going to go ahead and make a bookmark. And I am going to use this number strip because that is how I am going to mark every single day in January and what I read and when and how much I read in that particular day. And then I'm also going to have a color code down at the bottom for the 3 books that I am intending to read, which is Red Queen, A Blizzard of Polar Bears, and Anti-Time Management. So all 3 of these books are part of my January 2023 challenge. I will, of course, have that a little bit later in this video. But basically, I am marking down with the different colors and how many pages I will have read in that book. I don't think I'm going to sit down and read one just straight through. I think I'm going to be hopping around a little bit. So this will be helpful for me because I am intending to hop around the books a little bit. Because, for example, Anti-Time Management, that's a productivity book. And to be honest, I don't want to read a productivity book straight through. So it is what it is. So I have the back side of this bookmark, and then I'm going to go ahead and decorate the front side with some more stickers from the kit that I developed for January 2023. So you can see here the reading challenge that I have for January, and I will go ahead and link you down to my Patreon where I have the downloadables posted for access for everyone. You don't have to be a patron to do this. However, if you do want to become a patron, that would be great because we do have a Discord server where we do talk about the reading challenges. So the 4 types of books that are in this reading challenge are a book set in winter, a book in a series, book on productivity, and book on your to be read list. So essentially, you can do this challenge in as many or as little books as you want. For example, I am doing this in 3 books because my book in a series and book on to be read list are going to be the same book, if that makes sense. So if all of your books met every single one of these particular uh, challenge elements, then you would only need to read 1 book. I don't think that's possible because book on productivity and book in center in winter, that'd be very difficult to do both of those. But that is how this challenge works. So go ahead, hit the link down below so that you can download the reading challenge and use EFD reading challenge if you are going to participate on Instagram. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.